Welcome to Autos Time, your destination for exploring the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Genesis 90, a luxury sedan that redefines elegance, technology, and performance. This car is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a statement of sophistication and innovation. The first thing that grabs your attention about the Genesis 90 is its design. It's a stunning combination of boldness and refinement. The signature crest grille commands presence at the front, framed by two-line LED headlamps that give the car a futuristic and distinctive look. The sleek, flowing lines of the bodywork embody Genesis's philosophy of athletic elegance, blending dynamic proportions with timeless styling. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the chrome accents, is crafted to perfection, making the 90 stand out in any setting. Moving inside, the 90 takes luxury to a whole new level. The cabin is designed to be a sanctuary of comfort and innovation, using only the finest materials. The seats are upholstered in supple Napa leather, and the interior features real wood trims and brushed aluminum accents, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The seats are fully adjustable and come with massage functions, heating and cooling options, ensuring that every passenger enjoys the ride in complete comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is the advanced infotainment system. A wide, high-resolution touchscreen integrates seamlessly with a digital instrument cluster, putting everything you need at your fingertips. Navigation, media, and climate controls are intuitive and easy to access. Genesis has also partnered with Bang & Olufsen to deliver a premium sound system, providing an immersive audio experience that torts your favorite playlist into a private concert. The 2025 G90 is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both convenience and safety. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, all designed to make your drive as stress-free as possible. One standout feature is the remote parking system, which allows you to park the car using your smartphone. It's perfect for tight spaces or when you want to impress your friends with the car's futuristic capabilities. Under the hood, the Genesis 90 offers a refined twin-turbo V6 engine as standard, delivering smooth, effortless power. For those who crave even more efficiency and performance, an optional hybrid drivetrain is available. No matter which powertrain you choose, the Genedy's adaptive air suspension ensures a ride that's both comfortable and composed. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating busy state highways, the Genedy's designed to ensure a driving experience that's second to none. Genesis has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability with the 2025 90. The use of eco-friendly materials in the interior and energy-efficient technologies reflects the brand's commitment to a greener future. Even the production process prioritizes sustainability, proving that luxury and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. The Genesis G90 isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's a vehicle designed for those who demand the best in luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're behind the wheel enjoying its refined power or sitting in the back seat surrounded by comfort and technology, the G90 offers a level of sophistication that's hard to match. Thank you for tuning in to Autos Time. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Genesis G90, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think of this luxury sedan, and we'll see you in the next video.